Hi Dressy Cuties, Winnie here. It's fun art time, and today we're going to draw a zombie to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this very silly bee, let's first start by drawing its head. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big curve for the top of the head. Come right across, and then I'm going to bring this down kind of like my usual dumpling shape, make it a little bit wider towards the sides, and then bring it in. A little bit wider about right there, and then I'm going to bring it in and connect. There, just something like that. From there, we're going to go ahead and I'll make this a little bit rounder. From there, let's go ahead and draw the eyes. So in this area right here where it's nice and round, I'm going to draw this huge circle right in here. And then same thing on the other side, but right here, right next to the edge. And what's cool about this drawing, it's a zombie, so nothing has to be exactly perfect or anything because it's all messed up, right? Okay, so we have these two circles in, and right in the center, I'm just going to put a little dot right in the center. And then from there, the mouth. And I'm just going to come right here and draw kind of like a little slight curve. And then put in some lines right here. So cute, right? Okay, so there we got our little bee. I'm gonna put a little curve on top of each eye, and then the antenna, of course. So let's come up right here and add a little circle, and same thing here. It is a zombie, but it should still have its antennas, right? Nice and perfect antennas. Okay, so then from there we can add maybe another scar right here, just to make it extra fun. Then from there, let's draw the body. So come about right here and here, nice and centered. And let's go round and round. And let's connect at the bottom with a curve. Nice and round. And then since I'm down here, I'm going to go ahead and draw the stinger right in the center. So go right there. Go ahead and draw the stinger, and I'll shade this part in black. And then from there, let's draw the wings. So I'm going to come about right here, and we're going to draw a curve that comes out for the bigger part of the wing. So two of them. And as I come down here, I'm just going to break it up a little bit, give it a little bit zigzag to make it look like it's broken a little bit. It's a little bit messed up. And then come in, and then we're going to come out again for another bottom wing. And once again, just come in here with a little zigzag and bring it in there. And so same thing on the other side. And it can be totally lopsided, doesn't matter. And once again, just come in, and one more layer, and just give it a little cracks in there and in there, something like that. Let's bring this in a little bit more for the wings. Then let's come over here, and we're going to draw the stripes on our bee. So I'll start with one, and I'll just give our bee 3 stripes. One, and the bottom one about right here, and one right in the center. There. So I'm leaving a little bit more space right here because I might want to put some hands in there, but I'll come in here and shade this all in black first so we can see it a little bit better. There's so many things you could do, but I think try not to overdo it. Just keep it simple, right? So let's color it in first and then see if we want to just leave it as is or maybe add some hands and feet. So thank you, cuties, for always loving my pun art and inspiring me to draw more of them for you. And I really hope you love this one to celebrate Halloween. I think it's just the cutest idea to have a zombie. Okay, so we have it colored in. What do you think? Maybe we could, well, let's try it. If you want to add hands, let's come about right here and here. And I'm going to add a hand that comes out towards the center, kind of like a zombie, and then we're going to have the hands hang down. So it's just a dot. Not a dot, I mean like a big oval shaded in, and right here as well. Hopefully that looks like. Okay, so then for the feet, let's add it right here, just sticking out. Nice and silly. And one more right here. There. I think it works, right? Makes it a little bit sillier. Okay, so that's pretty much it for our zombie. So let's write the word zombie right here. So I'm going to come towards the center in this area, and I'll put my dash right here because I know that's my center, and I'm going to have to write the word zom over here. So I'll start about right here. C-O-M. And so I'll come right next to it, just like my M for the word B. B. So I need to end about right here. There. So I'll come in here and thicken everything up. And that's when you can make any adjustments you want. There we have our zombie, and let's give our zombie here a little speech bubble. That'd be really... And what would our zombie say? I'm not sure, but I'll just put a heart right here just to make it might draw us a cute zombie. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this silly bee turned out and that I made this fun and easy for you to draw along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.